Okay. So this book right here is Tommy Busy Day. Let me show them. Hold on. Let me show the people so they can see. This book, you know, this is already. This is a record. Okay, here. Let's see. Do this thing work? It should be. Okay, here. Look. Okay, you better read.
Today, Thomas is taking Sir Topham Hatt and some visitors on a grand tour of the island of Sodor. Thomas peeps his whistle and steams down the tracks.
Is it?
Thomas,
So, this book,
Thomas and friends. Thomas makes a wish.
okay, Thomas. Let it read the book.
Thomas and friends. Engine friends.
Okay.
Thomas and friends.
This book
Thomas
is recorded through electronic thing so I can read to him the stories. This right here is the shapes we get ready to do. If your child having a hard time with knowing the shapes and stuff, you can buy this at Amazon or Walmart online. You see the shapes? You see the shapes?
Yes.
Okay, put the shapes where it's supposed to be at. Here, come on. Turn around so the people can see. Turn around.
Hey.
Shh. Relax. Come on. Come on. Here. Put the shapes.
This.
Put it where it's supposed to go. And you can have these too. It's like different dinosaurs. You know, you take them out, let them figure out where it's supposed to go at. Just help them with their thinking and what they supposed to do. Like if you take them out, have them put it back in. See? Good job. He put it back in the right way that it was supposed to go. Good job. Okay, put these in. Pay attention. Okay, good job.
Thomas and friends. Thomas and the
For some reason, he liked the book so much. He liked it. Tell him to read the story to you. Let's see.
Thomas stops for a bridge repair.
Here.
Jeremy soars into the distance.
See?
Jet planes can go wherever they like.
Hey.
Look, look.
Nothing ever stops them.
See?
Thomas stops for a bridge repair as Jeremy soars into the distance.
Mm-hmm.
Jet Thomas and friends. Go slow, Thomas.
Get it. I get it.
Today, Thomas is taking Sir Topham Hatt and some visitors on a grand tour.
I did it.
Thomas peeps his whistle and steams. Thomas whooshes past a
Okay, let me see your hand.
Thomas whooshes
Huh?
past a farm.
I
Slow
just
down,
cut your
Thomas.
nail.
Hey.
Come on.
Our
Stop playing.
want to
Hey.
sights.
But that's how you
I
teach
should
your
have
kids.
been.
All these books is on there so he can listen to it.
Thomas whooshes past a farm.
If your child has a hard time, okay, you having a hard time reading or knowing shapes or colors. Blue. What color is this? What color is this? What color is this?
Thomas continues to chug all over the island.
That's purple, Drew. Come on, man.
It's hard at work.
Papa.
What color is this? Hey everyone, welcome back to The Chosen One by Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be working with Drew on these. Okay, come on. Okay, follow directions, practice test. Read the direction to your child. Fill in the bubble next to the clothing for a cold day. Which one you going to circle? Are you going to circle boots, slippers, shorts, or a shirt? Which one? Pay attention. What would you wear for the cold? Good. Circle it. Circle that. Good. Boots. He said he wanted to circle this one. It's boots. Okay. Come on. Circle it. Circle it. Bubble it in. Circle it. Here. You gotta bubble it. Bubble it in. Color it in. Right here, Drew. Come on now. Circle it. Okay, good. What else would you wear for the cold? Look. We got A. Would you wear this for the cold? No. Would you wear this for the cold? No. That one, yes. Circle it. Good job. Okay, let me show them. Okay, this is what we working on. Him knowing what to wear for the winter time. So he circled the boots, which is A, and he circled D, which is the shirt. Okay, this is, I got this book from Walmart. It was nothing but $10 for it. There you go right there, $10. This is for 3 to 4 years old. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Okay, now we moving on to this. I got this from Walmart too. Okay. What is this? Can you say K? Good job.
What this?
What's this? Say 6.
Shit.
Good job.
No.
Okay, what letter is that?
A.
G.
G.
Let me see it. Good job. What color is this? What color is this? Come on. What color?
Cheese.
Drew.
Cheese.
Okay, come on. You want to go back over here? Okay.
Cheese.
Okay, trace the B's. Trace the letter B. Here. Sometimes when they don't have nothing to do for the weekend, you can try to, like, come up with some learning stuff. So, which I have this right here, and I have this, which is a chalkboard. This came from Walmart. And here go the little chalkboards, and we're going to be doing this too. I want him to be ready so by the time he turns 4, he knows this is the learn to rhyme. It's basically, you know, this is his age limit, 3 years old plus. And, you know, I'm going to show y'all. Finish tracing, then we going to move over here.
What's two?
You see, like it's basically this.
No.
say-
Be back.
Rhymes with tan.
Be
You see,
back. She.
band, fan,
Be
man,
back.
pan,
See?
and can.
Be back.
Different things he can work on.
Uh-oh.
Definitely if they struggling and reading and writing and stuff, this is really good for your child to pronounce different things and to work with different things so they can hear the sound of the words as you helping them out. Like right now, he's still tracing the letter B. They have different things in this book. They have tracing letters, learning how to write and different things. Okay, are you still writing?
No.
You want to do this game? You want to play this game?
Uh-huh.
Okay, come on.
No.
See, he want to write too.
I can't. I just Dada.
What is this?
Daddy.
Daddy?
I did. I did.
Drew say this is Daddy. Oh boy, this is funny.
I did bus.
This a man. Say man.
No, I did bus.
Yes, that's a bus. Good job. Bus. What is this? You know what this is? Good job. Thank you. What's this, Drew? Drew, what is this?
Huh?
What is this? What is this?
Uh-oh.
Fan. Okay, what is this? What is this?
Pay.
Pan.
Pay.
Good job. Come on. What is this? Man.
Me.
Man.
I want
What is that? That's not water. That's a can. Say can. That's a can. Good job. Thank you. Okay, let's move to the next one. So, okay, sit down. Okay, I'm gonna do that. We just did this one. What rhymes with tan? And he said bus, fan, man, can, and pan. So now we moving with what rhymes with bug. Okay, come on. What rhymes with bug?
This.
What is that? Rug.
But
Good job. Mug. Mug.
see.
What is that?
Okay. Turn around. Okay. This.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
I
And jug.
agree.
Jug, here.
I agree. That's it, bro.
Okay, thank you.
I
Okay.
agree. No, I blue. Dude, I blue. I just around you. I see the body.
That's drip. What's
what
rhymes with ship? Drip,
Drip.
clip, chip, lip. What is this? Zip.
Whip.
Okay, let's show them so they can see. Let's show them. Yep. Hold on, I got it. I got it.
Blue.
Calm down. I'm trying to show them. Chip, clip, lip, zip, drip. I got it. I got it. You want to do this one? Hold on, this one closed. I got to.
Blue.
Oh, wow. I still got. Okay,
Blue.
this one right here. Okay, calm down. Okay. Drew, I'm about to do that one. Rhymes with cat. Rhymes with cat. Okay, come on. What's this? Can you tell me what is this? What is that? Bat. Good job. Give yourself a hand. Give yourself a hand. Good. Good. What is that? I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. What is this? Rat. Good. Okay, show them. They can't see it. Turn it this way. Rat. Okay, good job. What is that? Good job. A hat. A hat. Good. What you do with that bat? Give me that bat. Okay, this one right here. Here. What is that?
That one.
What is that? Mat. Can you say mat?
No.
Good. Okay, let me show them. Hold on, and be careful with the pencil. What rhymes with cat? Bat, hat, rat, mat. What was this one again? And flat. Okay, let's move to this one. Come on, let's move to the next one. What rhymes with cake?
Cake.
You got snake, lake, milkshake, grape, and steak. Come on, let's do this one. We already did this one. Come on, next one. I said the next one. Look, you're not listening. Andrew, not listening. You're not listening. You're not listening. You're not listening. You want to stop?
No.
Okay, let's work on this one. Here. We can do this.
Yeah.
Stop. Stop, Drew. Didn't I say stop?
I got it.
Let me see it. Okay. You mixing them all up. Come on now. Okay, rhymes with red. Sit down. Rhymes with red. Drew. Look what you doing. Rhymes with red. So, you have bed. Okay, let me see.
Red house.
Did I say stop playing? You need to learn this stuff and you sitting there playing. Give me the letters. Sit down. Okay, sit. Y'all have a great, wonderful Monday. I'll talk to y'all later.
Bye.